butter chicken.
Hello.
Hello.
Who is that, by the way? What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Mintu.
You want delivery?
Huh?
About chicken kebab, doner kebab.
No, no delivery.
Send your mama here. I'm fucking making a kebab here and a breast kebab.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
What's your name?
What is your name?
About chicken kebab, doner kebab.
No, sorry, brother. We have a discount per chicken.
तेरी ना माँ दे फुद्दे के वाड़ के तेरी कैंड दा फुद्दा मारना कुत्ती का है
motherfucker. Why am I motherfucker here called motherfucker Indian bitch?
You fucking fake.
Hello, Crown.
Hello.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Who is this?
How you spell?
Huh?
How you spell?
I say, who is this?
Can you please say again?
Why do you call this Crown Fried Chicken?
I don't understand what you say. Can you please say again?
What do you need?
Huh?
Who is this?
I'm a motherfucker.
Who?
Motherfucker.
1 second. One second.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes.
What's your name?
What is your fucking name? Just let me know.
What the first name?
Huh?
What the last name?
I don't give it to my name. It's gonna be
Can
you call
spell the name for me?
my store.
Can you spell the name?
What the fuck? Huh?
What
What?
are you looking for?
What country you from?
Who are you looking
What?
for?
Huh?
Who are you looking for? I can hear.
Yo man, it's gonna don't play, you know?
Why?
You call, don't play.
Why you say motherfucker? What's your name?
What the fuck your name? Just let me know, motherfucker.
Why you say motherfucker?
Yeah, I said the motherfucker. What the fuck you gonna do?
Police.
Motherfucker?
I call
What
the police.
the fuck you gonna do?
The police? I call the police? The police? I call
Yeah, call the police, motherfucker. You call here, motherfucker. You understand that one?
This the police?
Call the police,
police will come
motherfucker.
here to see
You
you.
call my store, you know?
The police to get you in the jail.
Alright, the police get your ass too, motherfucker.
Police to come here to fuck me in the jail.
Brown?
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, how are you doing?
Who's that?
Who's this?
I said, who are you?
Shut up, cocksucker!
You're a son of a bitch, you know? You need, big dick, bitch. You gay, motherfucker, you gay? You're a son of you gay, motherfucker? You suck dick,
You don't know
bitch?
how to talk English.
You're a son of a bitch, come here. I'm gonna fuck you, my big dick, okay?
Come over here. I'll shoot you.
You piece of shit, motherfucker. You call here for you call the cop your ass, motherfucker.
Come over here. I'll give you.
Yeah, I got your number, bitch. Hold on a second.
Cocksucker.
I got your number, you know? You piece of shit, motherfucker. You call again, motherfucker, I shoot your fucking ass, bitch.
If you're a man, come talk to me over
Yeah,
here.
you cocksucker, you know? You know cocksucker? You suck big dick?
You know what?
You son of a bitch. You come here, bitch. I fuck you up. You
I
piece
shoot
of
you,
shit.
motherfuckers. What you think?
Yeah, you suck my balls?
Let me pull
You
my
suck
gun.
my
Come
balls?
over here if you want.
Yeah, you suck my
gay,
balls,
man.
baby.
Let me tell you what. You are not a man. You are a gay.
Yeah, you motherfucker gay because you call here. You say you want a dick, bitch.
Why you like
You know?
Indian dick?
You gay because you call here. You know you want a dick, bitch.
Why you like
You
Indian
piece of
dick?
shit.
I think you like Indian
Okay?
dick too much.
You a piece of shit, yo. Yeah, fuck your father dick, bitch.
Middle East. Go back to Middle East, motherfucker.
Hello?
Motherfucker, you have any problem?
Huh?
Motherfucker, you have any problem?
I don't understand. What did you say?
Why you like Indian dick?
Huh?
I think you like Indian dick too much.
Sorry?
Come over here, let me see. I can shoot you in your ass, motherfucker. I'm your daddy.
What?
You are a bitch, motherfucker. Your mama is a bitch. Your father is a bitch. You are a bitch.
Who the hell are you, man?
Come
Want to call
over
the
here.
cops?
I'll shoot you in your ass, motherfucker.
Huh?
Yeah, police is coming right now to get you right now within a minute.
Who?
Okay, I'll pull the gun. I'll shoot you in the ass, motherfucker.
Who the hell are you, man?
You are an asshole, man.
Who the hell are you?
Shut up, motherfucker.
What?
Shut up, motherfucker, bitch.
Oh, yeah?
I'm your daddy. I will fuck your mother, man.
What?
I'll fuck your mother, man.
Oh, very good.
I'll fuck your mother, man.
Oh, very good. Thank you.
You motherfucker shit.
Hey, thank you, my friend.
Son of gun, motherfucker, bitch.
Hey, thank you, my friend.
Motherfucker, son of
Hey,
bitch.
thank you, my friend.
Middle East, go back to Middle East, motherfucker.
Thank you.
Shut up,
Hello.
cocksucker.
Hello.
Motherfucker, do you have any problem?
La 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 la.
Shut up, motherfucker, bitch.
No.
Okay, I'll pull
Hey.
a gun, I'll shoot you in the ass, motherfucker.
ஏய் தேடியாடா ஒரு அம்மைக்கு முதல்ல நீ பால் குடிச்சா வாடா மாதர் வாடா
You know what? You're talking like a shit
ஏய்
in
மாதர்
your
चुप
mouth.
आजा तू इधर बसड़िके गान मारूंगा ना माँ का लवड़ा सारा
Shut up.
हाँ मादर चुप ए
Shut up,
ए
nigga.
बासर तू किधर रहते तेरे को अभी उधर तेरे को पुलिस बिठा देगा मादर चुप
You are a bitch, motherfucker. Your mama is a bitch. You are
ए
a
मादर
father is a
चुप
bitch. You are
तेरा
a
अभी
bitch.
कॉल ट्रैक करके ना तेरे को अभी मैं स्पीकर फोन में पूरा तेरा रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ बासर I will send the police fucking your door man motherfucker.
Why you like Indian dick?
Hey, asshole, I'm going to send the police in your home and trace your call, okay? I record
shoot you,
all your
motherfucker.
voice, okay? Motherfucker.
Yeah,
Hello.
police is coming right now.
Hey, mother,
You
I will send the police in your home, man. Bastard, Saleh.
Your mama's a bitch.
What?
I'll fuck your mother, man.
Thank you, motherfucker.
You are a bitch, motherfucker. Your mama is a bitch. Your father is a bitch. You are a bitch.